So today we'll be continuing and seeing more problems on GP. So the first problem is, suppose we need to insert four geometric means. So we need to insert four geometrical means between 3 to 96, and we need to also show that the product of the fourth power of the GM between them. So we'll continue this. So suppose we have G1, G2, G3 and G4 be the four GMs between 3 to 96. So it will look something like this: 3 comma G1, G2, G3, G4 and 96. So these are in GP. Let R be the common ratio. So common ratio. So since 96 is the sixth term, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 term, so we can write the formula as 96 equals to 3 first term into r to the power n minus 1. So from here we get r as r to the power 5 as 32, and this will be r equals to 2. So this is to the power 5, so r is 2. So now we have found r, so we can find as G1 as AR, that will be equals to 3 times 2, that is equals to 6. G2 will be AR square, that is 3 times 2 square, that is 12, and G3 will be 24, G4 will be 48. Now also, if G is the GM of 3 and 96, so we need to find that also. So that will be square root under 3 into 96. This will be 288, and this will be some simplifying 12 root 2. So now we need to find out this. So G1, G2 multiplied all this is, and G4, this will be what, 6 times 12 times 24 times 48. So this is 12 to the power 4 times 2 square, that can be also written as 12 root 2 whole to the power 4. So this is G4 to the power 4. So this we also need to prove. So we have done this. So now we'll continue another problem. So suppose if G is the geometric mean between two distinct positive numbers A and B, then we need to prove this. Suppose G minus A times addition with G minus B, that is equals to 1 by G. So for doing that, we know that G is equals to square root A times B. So now just we'll putting on the right hand side. So right hand side, so this will be root under AB minus A addition with root under AB plus minus B. So now we need to just simplify this. So I'm simplifying it, taking root A common, so root B minus root A. Now here we'll take root B as common, so root B minus, I just made a mistake, root A minus root B. Now again, now we need to just simplify this. So taking the LCM, so this will be root under AB, and this will be root B minus root A. Now this will be what? The numerator will be root B minus root A. So just simplifying this, we know that this will get cancelled out, this as a whole will get cancelled out, and this is root under AB, and root under AB we know that this is G, so we obtained the required part. So this is LHS, so this is done. So let us see our next problem. Suppose if one geometric mean is G and the arithmetic means of P and Q are inserted between two numbers, so we need to show that G square, that is equals to 2P minus Q times 2Q minus P. So G is the geometric mean and two arithmetic means P comma Q are inserted between two numbers. So Let us see how we can solve this. So let the two positive numbers be a comma b. So this we have considered positive integers, positive numbers. Now since g is the geometric mean, so we can say that g equals to root under ab, and simply g square is ab. So now p and q are two arithmetic means between a and b, so we can arrange this. So this is in ap, we can say from the question. Now we know that something, so 2p equals to a plus q, and 2q equals to p plus b. I hope you are getting this. B minus a equals to b minus c, c minus b. So that was a written a formula. So we'll just simplify this. So 2p minus q equals to a, and 2q minus p equals to b. So multiplying both of them, so we get 2p minus q and 2q minus p, that is equals to ab. So we are multiplying this. Now 2p minus q and 2q minus p, that is equals to g square. So we proved it. So this was the required one. So these were some questions on GP. So thanks for watching it.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.